I'm Bill Elsey with Showplace Lawns. Let's talk a little bit about how to select a watering can. Watering cans are a very vital part of gardening around the house. You don't always want to use a hose or a sprinkler system, especially on container plants. Watering cans are really good for that. There's a whole lot of different styles and kinds of them. There's metal ones, there's plastic ones, and then there's hard molded plastic ones. I think the best kind of watering can is this hard molded kind, like this. This will not rust. Very hard to ever punch a hole in it. It's easy to carry, and it carries up to 2 gallons of water in it. This is the same way, the same basic molded, but it's got a different head on it. With this one, we have a head where we can pour it out like it's a shower. And there's some applications where that's what you want to do. But remember, when watering, try not to get the plant any wetter than you have to, because you want the water to be in the soil and go to the roots. You can take this one off and have a big wide open hole to really pour a stream out of water if that is needed in that case. This one has a narrow end on it. This is more suitable for going in and between the plants as you water, or for a smaller container. I would recommend that you get one of each so that you can cover everything that you need to cover. Always have a watering can with you. These particular kind, with the handle up and around the side, give you more flexible usage. Also, by design, the weight of that water is not as heavy, and you can control the pouring of it. So when selecting a watering can, I would go with these types.